clean this airbox. It's dirty, it's nasty. It's been sitting for a while. There's tons of oil or residue in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit some of the stuff with goo off, help with the oil. The rest of it I'm gonna clean with just like standard like Rain-X and stuff like that. Nothing crazy. Nothing too aggressive. That's the whole point. It's just an airbox. Just getting all the dirt and stuff off it because it's gonna get dirty again. It's gonna get nasty again. We all know it. This guy told my friend that he had changed the spark plugs, paid $100, had a shop do it, something like that. I thought it might be true because everything else seemed to be running correctly. Well, I pulled them, and those things are old. They're so old, not even fresh, and they were mismatched. So he was running like 3 coppers and an iridium on one cylinder, which I think is pretty shitty and fucked up to do to people. So just really look over bikes, really look over whatever you're buying, guys, because everyone can get caught. Everyone can get, left with something that's not really what they thought it was. So just keep that in mind. So I had to go blow it out, and I didn't want to pull the camera with me, so it's pretty much ready. And as you can see, it has like a triangle shape, and you'll see that when you go to wedge it in, you'll see how it's supposed to line up with the other stuff. Okay, it's not 100% clean yet. I don't understand why people just can't take care of their shit. It's mind-boggling to me. Purchase something, put a little love into it. You don't need to go all out with it, but you don't need to. You just don't need to let it this messed up. It makes no sense to me. So it's gonna go like this. All right. looks like there's like an O-ring gasket. So you gotta make sure you get the gasket back in. Alright, so gasket's in. This is down tight. Goes here like this. Get the screws for it. And you tighten it up. And this is how you do an air filter on a 636. It's very simple. You can actually do this without taking this filter off. The reason I have this filter off is because we're doing a valve cover gasket, or this air box I mean. But yeah, the reason I have it off is because we're doing the valve cover gasket as well. And it's better for us to take it all up. We also think his fuel pump assembly is leaking a little fuel too. It just, the more we tore into his bike, the more it was just like, damn. My suggestion would be is, if you think you've spent enough time looking the bike over, take an extra 10 minutes. Do I think I probably could have called this an extra 10 minutes? Maybe not, but maybe someone else would, you know, different situation. So that's it, guys. Air filter's on, cover's back on, pretty cleaned up. I'm gonna wipe it down a little more, and you know, make sure there's nothing near the injector tips the best I can. And this thing's pretty much good to go. So that is the air filter box for a 2005 636. Thanks for watching, guys.